Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and theories. And in this video, we are going to discuss Alexandrine in French prosody. Introduction. The Alexandrine is a line of verse consisting of 12 syllables and has been a cornerstone of French poetry since the 16th century. Its structure and rhythm have made it particularly suited to dramatic and narrative forms, establishing it as the standard meter in these genres. This video explores the origins, development, and usage of Alexandrine as well as its equivalents and adaptations in English verse. Origins and early use. The earliest known Alexandrines appear in Les Pèlerinages de Charlemagne à Jerusalem, an early 12th century chanson de geste. Despite this early appearance, the term Alexandrine likely derives its name from a later poem, the Roma di Alexandre, written towards the end of the 12th century. This epic poem about Alexander the Great solidified the meter's name and set a precedent for its use in French literature. The Alexandrine in French literature. The Alexandrine meter was notably employed by the poets of the Pléiade, a group of 16th century French Renaissance poets led by Pierre de Ronsard. They aimed to elevate the French language to the level of classical Latin and Greek, and the Alexandrine meter was instrumental in their efforts. The structure of Alexandrine, with its clear and balanced rhythm, made it ideal for the dramatic and narrative poetry of the time. The meter reached its peak in the works of great French dramatists such as Jean Racine and Pierre Corneille. Racine's play Andromaque contains classic examples of Alexandrine's use. The Alexandrine in English literature. The Alexandrine has never gained the same popularity in English verse as it has in French. Its length and structure make it somewhat unwieldy in English, a language with different rhythmic and phonetic qualities. However, some English poets have used the Alexandrine with notable success. Edmund Spenser used the Alexandrine effectively in the final line of his Spenserian stanza in The Faerie Queene, providing a rhythmic conclusion to each stanza. Michael Drayton's Polly Albion, Robert Browning's Fifine at the Fair, and Robert Bridges' The Testament of Beauty also feature the Alexandrine, though these works are exceptions rather than norm. A famous example of the Alexandrine in English is found in Alexander Pope's essay on criticism. A needless Alexandrine ends the song, that, like a wounded snake, drags its slow length along. Pope's use of Alexandrine here highlights its potential for a slow, deliberate pacing with contrast with the more commonly used iambic pentameter in English poetry. Conclusion. The Alexandrine has played a pivotal role in the development of French poetry, particularly in dramatic and narrative forms. Its 12-syllable structure provides a balanced and rhythmic foundation that has been utilized and perfected by numerous French poets and dramatists. While it has not found the same level of acceptance in English literature, its occasional use by English poets demonstrates its versatility and enduring appeal. The legacy of the Alexandrine endures, a testament to its significance in the poetic traditions of both France and beyond. So this was the discussion on the term Alexandrine in French prosody. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.